everybody. I wanted to show y'all this journal that I made because it's about to go out to a new home. I need to get it shipped, and this is something I did that was totally out of my comfort zone. And I think that is truly important to do sometimes, to stretch yourself and your creativity, and I could not be happier. I really want this for myself, but I know I won't use it. You know, I'll just use it to look through, which is good. You know, that's what a lot of people do. But I have so many now, and I know it's going to a good and loving home. So, yeah. Anyway, I made this detachable dangle. It's got a really pretty bead. Another little charm. And y'all, look at these flowers. Most of these were handmade. I don't know about most. A lot of them were handmade by me. Not this color. And then I used Tim Holtz Distressing Ink Spray. Did a bunch of beading, sequins, flakes. Just look. I love this paper. This is detachable, by the way. A little bit of glamour dust. Got some fabric peeking out. But I love this paper set, and I just had to have it. I had to have it, not knowing at all what I was going to do with it. Lots of laces hanging out the side. Bunch at the bottom here. Hope that y'all can see that okay. Got another charm hanging out. A little fairy and moon. And y'all, this was my third attempt at using this paper. So, you know, sometimes you don't get it right and you got to keep going. So that's what I did. All right. I made a place here for photos. Or not. You can just look at the papers. Up to you. Down here, I put some photo tabs in case I did want to turn this into a place to put photos. And this would tie it all down, of course. Yeah. Let me check this to make sure I'm still on. I am. Okay. This little paper clip here. I love it. Look at all of that yummy goodness, sparkly with those colors. Peacock feather, lace, dangles. I love it. I love it. And in here, got a little glittery, sparkly sequin moon. A black rhinestone on it. Okay. And over here on this side, I did just put a little sewn journaling card. Some journaling paper. Glamour dusted moon. A dreamer is one who can only find his way by moonlight. And a little cover here that I sewed for this little teeny tiny journal. This is some more papers that she can write on. This goes in this little lace and fabric pocket. It's both. It's layered. Got a little embellished clock tuck space here with a moon and some tickets. Thought that was adorable. I made another little clip here with some pearls and rhinestone and laces. And this time it's on a bulldog clip. And another little journal with some tea-dyed papers and crunchy paper. Oop, that did not stay. Or rather, I did not clip it, obviously. Okay. Some more journaling pages. Some Sorry Silk. Checking the back here, y'all. There we go. Trying to hurry along. I want to get this. There we go. Okay. This page is a pocket that I collaged. I made this page a pocket that I collaged all on Shine On. Look, that is so pretty. Sparkly stars. And I have some, for those of y'all that are Pink Floyd fans, I've got Come On You Painter, Come On You Piper, You Prisoner, and Shine. That's from the song Shine On You Crazy Diamond. And in here I've got a journaling card and a little embellished journal tag. Okay. I just love that page. I do. I think it turned out so well. And over here I have tucked in, and y'all, this is not a clip. It is just a tuck in on this page. I've got lace on this page that was under that, and then I tucked in this grouping of fabrics, lace. I put on some rhinestones, bulb pin with, what are those? Those are buttons. Buttons to match. And the prettiest purple rhinestone there. I love that rhinestone. Oh, I need to, there we go. String. Okay. Got a little fish on some lace. I thought that was real cute. A little moon made into a pocket with some tags. And this is an envelope as well. So we flip it over, and I've decorated the envelope. How cute is that? And it's full of journaling tags. And the back here I put a little tuck space with a little kitty cat looking out the window and a little light bulb. I love that little light bulb. That's so creative, I thought. I got a little bit of sinuses going on this morning, y'all. Back here, I've made a little pocket embellished with some glitter and sequins. And just put in some little tags, a little moon, a little journaling tag. I could just eat this journal off a spoon. It is chunky, so it is held together with some sari ribbon. And that is it. I hope that this inspired y'all to get out of your comfort zone and see what you got, you know. And when it doesn't, if it doesn't turn out like you'd hope, try again. Like I said, this is my third attempt with these papers, so there you go. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And oh no, we got a little bent moon. Don't want it to bend. There we go. And I will, well, y'all will see me again next time, but I hope that y'all will. Y'all take care. Bye.